What's up everybody, Logan here. NFT Tiger is back with another brand new project. So guys, today we're going to be diving down into a very unique and amazing platform for where you can generate the best return. And it's good news for NFT lovers and game lovers. It's a perfect idea to jump in and join this game. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming video notification, because it's perfect idea. You will be updated with upcoming videos also. So let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own risk, study this platform, take your time, and if you think you can generate best return and you can join this game and you can generate some sort of benefits from here, so it's a perfect idea to join this project. So please don't miss any part of this platform, because in next few minutes I will guide you how you can join that, because it's very important to provide you a proper guideline regarding the platform. So the name of this platform is samuraiworlds.com. So you can see here the name, and Samurai strategy game on the blockchain, and you can connect your wallet. So we'll discuss later. First I will discuss the main page and provide you a proper guideline and information regarding this platform. So here you can see Samurai World and Genesis Collection. So each and everything is mentioned here, and you can see here you can unlock the one without the Genesis collection, get early access and exclusive NFT starting packages from the game, and staying perks and surprise airdrop, dive into the Samurai Lee, and where adventure and reward await. So plenty of adventure and rewards are there, and when you join, so you will see all the details here. Next you can see the Samurai World and how you can get that. So it's up to you and whether you can change and how much you want to get. You can maintain now, and you can click on that and you can easily maintain still. Plenty of time you have. At the moment you can see here, next prepare for the battle, and how you can prepare yourself for the battle, because there are plenty of adventure and thrill in this platform, and you need to prepare yourself to fight. So this is the detail about the game, and it's a guideline how you will join that. So they are providing you a proper guideline regarding that, in which if you watch this video, so you will see all the detail how you will start your journey. So basically it's for your guideline, and if we scroll down a bit, so you will get more information about them. So here you can see play to earn. So basically it's about to play and earn, and you will play it, so you will complete the missions and you will be rewarded. So you can see here when battle complete challenges and earn previous reward, and in the game or resources use the craft weapons and arms or sell it in the marketplace. Alright, so this is basically what it is, and you can easily sell your weapons in the marketplace with the other player. And next you can see through in the game resources, items, token, you can improve your troops and establish your relationship with the other player. And you can also exchange for the ethereum whenever you want. And the way you want the rule to go, will you work on your expansion and aim to a bigger fish and unlock quick profit on a regular basis. So you can easily grab that. I find honor, but I don't find for free. So you can see here the land packages. So there are plenty of packages available in order to get priority access to land. So if you should own Samurai World Genesis Collection NFT. After all Genesis Collection are sold out, the land packages will unlock and announce date. So wait for that. Next, you can see here, guys, there are the packages. Choose a clean and lean as Shogun. So first you can see a quantity here, and the details are mentioned. So you can see here, and it's on ethereum. This, you can select the price here, how much you want to buy, and easily you can choose that, so you can easily buy that. Next You can see here Damio package. So next, this is the package that impressed me to introduce this platform in front of my community. So you can see here, and the quantity is 100, and you can see here all informations are there. The third is a Tomo package. So choose clan and to join and the family as to serve as वेनवर्ड सो यहाँ पे आपको क्वांटिटी 400 में मिलेगी आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं विद इट्स ऑन ethereum. Next, summary package is here and quantity is 800, so you can easily select from here. The fourth you can see here, Shigro package is here and quantity is 1200, and next you can see rewards are available in front of you and you can choose one of them. And next you can see Samurai World NFT collections. They have a very unique and special NFT collections here. You can buy these NFT, hold these NFT. When the market pump up, you can easily buy these NFTs and get massive reward. And next you can create an army and expand it, influence on how you will create your army, and all the details is mentioned. It's up to you. And basically it's play to earn, and you will play and you will get reward and you will be rewarded, and like weapons and other things you can sell them on marketplace with other player and get more reward. Here you can see participate in the cinematic battle and you can participate also. Next you can see mint some rival. So the minting details is here. You can easily watch that. So minting date, still time left. Next, expand your territory. How you can expand your territory. So here's the detail, and you can watch the video and get more information regarding that. Pick your battle, so it's up to you what kind of battle you want to pick. Next, you can see here Sky Mission Arena, so you can select one of them and you can start your fight, and after winning you can generate the reward. Genesis NFT, a world of perks. So you can see here NFT staking, NFT packages, airdrops, and early access. So perfect, it's a perfect idea. If you early access, you will get massive benefits from here in the shape of airdrops also. So discover the path of Genesis collection in the world of conflict. Your strategy defines your empire. And next you can see you will attain and rent merchandise and establish yourself. So this is a detail about this platform. Frequently asked question. If you have any question in your mind, you can get the answer of your question on the same time by clicking on that. So you can easily get the answer of your question. So next you can see is sponsor and partners. The main thing that inspired me to introduce the platform, because they have a very strong sponsor and partners who are backing up this platform. And none of the project can be successful without active and strong partner. So it's massive, and I'm sure this project can achieve the place it deserves. And when you enter the entire game, you will be surprised to see what kind of benefit you can generate from here. So next, you can see here the roadmap detail. I already provided you the roadmap, and let's see roadmap, what they want to do in the future, and what kind of promising plans they have. You can see here details are there. Next you can see on art and graphics development. Next you can see the third modeling and environment details are there. Next you can see motion capture and animations. Next you can see prototype and development and internal testing. And in 2024 NFT collection launch. So in 2024 they're going to launch their NFTs and launch staking contracts. So the details are there. So plenty of options are here. You can easily watch that and get more information from here. So I provide you all the details. So it's very important. First you need to connect your wallet and MetaMask and select the network, and after that you can start your journey with Samurai. So it's a perfect game and a perfect opportunity to play and complete the mission and get reward. So basically what it is. So I provide you all the detail, and if there is something missing you can join me in the comment section, so I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding that. And even you can join their community on Discord and Twitter. It's very important. When you join their community, you will become the member of their community and you will be updated with upcoming news regarding this game. So hope for the best. We will meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.